Hello, I received your question about the problem on page 343, number 11. Okay, let's look at the problem. We have somebody mixing almonds and walnuts that are going on a camping trip. The almonds are $3 per pound, and the walnuts are $4.20 per pound. If she ends up with 3 pounds of a mixture that costs $3.36 per pound, how many pounds of each kind of nut did she use? Well, this is really similar to the last two problems I worked, number 7 and 3, with just a very slight difference. So we want to figure out how many pounds of almonds and walnuts. So we need to designate our variable. So I'll go back to the workspace. I'll let x equal number of pounds of walnuts, and y be the number of pounds of the almonds. Okay, I think they told us how many pounds you had all together. Let's see, she ended up with 3 pounds. And so that gives us one equation. The number of pounds of walnuts plus the number of pounds of almonds gives you 3 pounds. Let's see, how much did each cost? The almonds were $3 a pound, and the walnuts were $4.20 a pound. See, I get right from this part here. So almonds are 3 and walnuts are $4.20. So the walnuts were $4.20 a pound, so that'd be 4.20x. You get x pounds at $4.20 a pound. At how much you spend on walnuts. The almonds, I believe it said, were $3 a pound. So 3y would be how much you spend on the almonds. Let's see, almonds $3 a pound, walnuts $4.20. Now here it gets a little different. The next part, you get 3 pounds at $3.36 per pound. So on the right hand, I know this students have trouble. You just don't put the $3.36. That's the cost per pound. That person purchases 3 pounds. So this is how much money they're going to spend on nuts. So you got to multiply it by 3, and I know that sometimes gives students trouble. If you don't have 3 pounds at $3.36 a pound, this will give you a total cost. Okay, well, I need to solve one of these. I'll use substitution. I'll solve one of these equations for one of the variables. So I'll take the top equation here, and let's see which one would be easiest to solve for. Coefficient y is 3, so I'll solve this top one for y. Subtract x from each side, and so y is 3 minus x. So then I go to the other equation, or the bottom equation. I'll replace y with what I found here. I put everything down except y. Let's see if I multiply that. 336 times 3, that's $10.08. And here I'm substituting in the 3 minus x. So let's see, 4.2x plus 9 minus 3x. Combine the x's here. 1.2x plus 9. Subtract 9 from each side. They get the decimals lined up there. So that'd leave me with 1.2x. Cool. Let's see, 10.08. 10.08 minus 9 would be 1.08 divided by 1.2. So it looks like it's going to be less than a pound of these. X will be, let's see, 1.08 divided by 1.2, 0.9. So 0.9 pounds of walnuts. And how many of almonds was 3 minus 0.9? That'd be 2.1. I'll put pounds on each of these, put the units. Pounds of walnuts. I hope this helps.